Yeah, so I did get a new phone. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I got the black one. It's really nice. I like it a lot. So chic. So I'm gonna order a new case from Amazon. I'm gonna get on Amazon in a few minutes and see what I can find. I might get the same case that I had on my old phone, but I'm not too sure. But yes, love the new phone. Alright, brushes are all clean and ready to go for the week. My pretty little beauty blenders ready to go. Good morning and happy Monday. So I am on my way to the gym. It's pretty early. What time is it? It is 7:30. So I'm getting ready to get my Monday workout on. I put my hair in these little pigtails and I don't have any rubber bands, so I hope they don't unravel when I'm in the gym. So I'm just wearing my Adidas hat, Adidas shirt, and then these tights. I got these from Forever 21. I still have to put on my shoes. I need to take my pre-workout and then I'm headed to the gym. Y'all, I found 2 rubber bands, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my hair. Oh, I broke my nail last night playing with my son, and I don't even know if my nail tech is working today, so I have to call him to find out, because I don't want anybody else playing with my nails. Put this little rubber band on here. Y'all, I'm on my way to the store. I gotta get some stuff for my mukbang. I wanted to get my nail fixed today, but he doesn't have anything available in the time frame that I wanted to go up there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get it fixed probably tomorrow or Friday, and just get like a polish change and everything instead of just getting that one nail fixed. So yeah, I need to clean my camera and I can't do it right now because I don't have anything in here to clean it with. So I'm at Costco's and I need to double check and make sure I have my Costco's card. If I don't, then I'm gonna have to go to the desk and just, oh, got it. You know, it's gonna be really hard for me to vlog inside Costco's because I have the wrong case on my phone, so I can't use my back camera. So I'll still show y'all what I can, maybe. Happy Tuesday. Time to hit the gym. So I just got back from the gym, and now I'm gonna take a little time out to write in my 5-minute journal. I've told y'all about this journal before. I got it a while ago from Amazon. I think it was maybe like 10 bucks, but it's a really cool little journal. It says at the bottom here, a simple diary for happiness and mindfulness. Every day in the morning when you wake up, this is for today, but every day in the morning when you wake up, you just basically say what you're grateful for, 3 goals for making today great, what would make today awesome, and then at night, the 3 awesome things that happened today, how you could have made the day better, and what you're looking forward to tomorrow. So it's a really cool journal. I'll have the link in the description box below for you guys. Tony wants chicken pasta tonight. Oh, Valentine's.
Wait, D, only got.
Oh, how cute.
I got $3.
So cute. All right, y'all, so let me show you guys what I grabbed from the store really quick. Sicilian pistachio gelato, Starburst. I bought 2 things of the creamy lemon parmesan sauce, baby bella mushrooms, some green tea, penne noodles, broccoli, Sargento cheese, hot fries, mint chip ice cream, Prop 50, smart water, and I have a pack of water in the car, but it's too heavy. That's all we picked up from the store. Yeah, I look so rough. And I curled my hair. It's like super windy outside today. And my makeup is just like coming off or something. I don't know. It's doing something weird. Is this thing on? Hey, happy Wednesday. I just finished doing a lookbook on this little outfit right here. I'm actually wearing this outfit today. All white, thrifted blazer, nude pumps. They match my nails. I'm getting ready to run a few errands, but I like my outfit for today. I think it's pretty cute. What y'all think? I'll be wearing my shades. And I'm out the door. Bye. Thursday. Okay, y'all, so happy Thursday. I am, y'all, My auntie came in town yesterday and I feel like, oh, I just want to be in bed all day. But I can't do that, unfortunately. I'm glad that I got up and went to the gym. I came home, showered. My hair was still wet, so I pulled it back in a ponytail and did my makeup. So now I'm getting ready to do a mukbang, but I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it really today, but I'm hungry, so hey, I'm gonna turn the camera on and I'm gonna eat. I'm doing some de-shelled crab. I de-shelled it last night, so I didn't have to worry about doing that this morning. So yeah, nail is still broke. Let me hold $5. Like, I'll send y'all my cash app, whoever got a problem with my nail being broke on period. Good morning, y'all. So today is Friday and I'm at the gym. I just dropped Tony off to school and now I'm at the gym. I plan on being here for an hour today. I set a goal for myself to go to the gym 4 days this week. So today is the 4th day, so I'm so proud of myself. So that's something that I can scratch off of my goal list for the week. So I'll probably work out for an hour today and then I can get my day started. So let's go. All right, y'all, I'm in the car and I'm on my way to my nail appointment. I know y'all like, God, thank God. Yes, I am on my way to my nail appointment. So I'm very happy. And my phone case came. I'm actually recording on my phone right now, but I will show you guys my cute little case when I get home because I'm recording on it right now, so I can't show you. But I think I might get the same color. What y'all think? I think I might, because I really do like this color and it goes with everything. I did my makeup today, y'all, but I wish I could do my hair, but it takes me so long to cool down, and my hair, by the time I leave the gym, my hair is like soaked. It's so bright out here. I was supposed to do a mukbang today, but I didn't do one because I want to eat tacos tonight with my little family. So that's what we might do tonight, eat some tacos. So I'll probably just record a mukbang tomorrow. I usually don't record a mukbang on Saturdays, but I think I'll do that since I'm skipping today. So all right, let's go in the nail salon. All right, y'all, so here's my nails. I got the same color, so those are cute. And this is my new phone case. It's so pretty. You can't really see. Can y'all see the gold? Hold on, let me. So it's so cute. You can't really see the gold that good on camera, but so pretty. Y'all know I'm obsessed with marble, so I love this case. I got this from Amazon for, I think, $15. So yeah. All right, y'all, so it is Taco Friday in our house tonight. So I know I was supposed to be doing the pescatarian thing, but I wanted to do some tacos tonight. So we got the fresh ground turkey, tomatoes, soft tortilla bowls, refried beans, sour cream, guacamole. This is the best guacamole, y'all. I think I tell y'all that every time we pick it up from Walmart. Y'all need to grab y'all some of this. Chicken, taco shells, shredded lettuce, cheese, and tortilla flat wraps, taco seasoning. Now the funny thing is everybody eats their tacos different. So this is for Tony. He likes the little bowls with chicken. Tony like to eat, he like to make a burrito. And then I like the hard shell taco. So that's what we're making tonight, y'all. I'm so excited. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. So me and my husband were getting ready to go to the grocery store because we need some groceries because our refrigerator is on E. Okay, so we're getting ready to go to the grocery store, and then I have to go to Michael's. Y'all know my big martini glass. I broke mine. I broke it like a couple of weeks ago, but so I'm gonna go ahead and get another one. Hopefully they have them in the store, but that's where I get that glass from. I always get a lot of questions where I get that glass from, and that's where I get it, from Michael's. So I have to have it because that's my little signature glass. So I'm gonna go to the store to get some groceries, and then we're going to Michael's, and then we'll be back home all day. So let's go. All right, y'all, so here is the glass. This is it. I want to get this one too. I should get this one. Got the big wine glass. This one look better, so I'll grab this one. Yeah, this movie right here, so good. Gonna get this one too, right? This one right here, trash. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the quick little grocery store haul. So I'm gonna start with the meat first so we can have some room. Chicken breasts, chicken wings, chicken drumsticks, ballpark franks, stew meat, ground turkey, butterfly chops, pork chops, beef sausage, turkey bacon, hickory smoked bacon, honey smoked turkey breast, salmon, sway, tilapia, broccoli, mini cucumbers, oranges, bell pepper, lemons, avocados, corn, asparagus, onions, salad, fudge ice cream sandwiches, strawberry Pop-Tarts, chocolate fudge Pop-Tarts, paprika, wild rice, green beans, corn, Tostitos, Takis, hot fries, Caesar croutons, party pizzas, noodles, spinach wraps, brown sugar, salsa, Smart Balance butter, eggs, waters, deodorant, honey, apple cinnamon oatmeal, brownies, long grain and wild rice, Powerades, red wine, fabric sheets, pre-workout, string cheese, mild cheddar. And that is it for the grocery store haul.